Hi everybody. So it seems like we're going to get a little bit more of winter. I know it's going to snow a little bit tomorrow. I have not been putting a lot of videos on lately, so I figured it was time to do that again. So this is your video announcement for the week. We are almost at the mid-semester point. Some of you are definitely into it, and some of you are maybe just catching up with the week. So my Friday, Saturday is always like looking ahead at the people who are ahead and looking at people who are just on time. So this is my first thing I have to mention. Because I have some people I know who are trying to maybe work a little bit ahead. If you go into the modules, you won't always see the most current module at the top. I have been putting the modules on by week number and date. So keep track on your syllabus or on your calendar or somehow, or you can use Gradebook to see if it's been graded. But you do need to keep in track because the module at the top might be a week ahead of you, and then you would skip a week. So keep in mind you might have to scroll down so that you can find what you need, okay? And the presentation right now is still at the top of the announcements page because I'm working on updating that and making it complete. Discussion board number 2 now is available. You have multiple ways to be able to find it. I learned from my mistakes the last time, so you'll see that there's a couple different ways that you can enter into it, but there is only one entry in the grade book. So you can do it from the side menu bar, or you can go to the links with the modules. So it's up to you, but you will get to the same place, and it will only put one entry into the grade book. So now, talking about the discussion board. If you use your time wisely, you will be able to post your discussion board posts, and that's all 4 of them, over the next 3 logins. So in other words, between now and next week, if you want to try to have a little bit of time off during spring break, start doing your posts now. You've read the content that is required to know for the discussion board, and what I am suggesting is all of you, at least if half of you would start participating now, you'll have somebody reply too. So during this coming week, you can start the discussion board. The final due date is after spring break, but you might be able to finish it up before March 11th. I'm looking for 3 different login days, and I'm looking for 4 responses. Your original initial post, 2 replies to 2 of your classmates, and 1 reply to somebody who wrote to you on your original initial post. So the presentation directions, I do have a note to myself. I'm still working on getting the grading rubric done and writing out the directions so that they're more clear. I have it that I'm going to make that all available to you by March 18th, so you can count on that. I might have it earlier for you. Any questions? Feel free to use the course messages. I am going to be out of the office from March 11th through Saturday. I think that's the 16th. I will be using my messages, and I will not be reading email. I'm actually on vacation that week, so I will still be available to you, but I will not be in Pittsburgh for you to meet with me in the office.